West's voice and collaboration solution allows people to connect and to really enable their staff or their customers to be able to communicate from any device, anywhere, at any time. It also allows employees to choose the best type of communication for the task at hand, whether it's remote, at home, or on the road.
West provides the full suite of Cisco collaboration services, from design through implementation and ongoing management and support of the service.
I'm Katrina Johnson, I'm IT Operations Manager for Clemenger Group. Clemenger Group are ideally an advertising agency with many different branches. We have a team in IT that spreads across Sydney and Melbourne of about 20 staff. We service 1,200 to 1,300 individuals across the group. The diversity within the group is quite vast, and the requirements and requests that we get are quite vast. We are very client-facing, so often it's minute by minute. It's very much now, it is advertising.
Clemenger was originally looking for only a telephony solution to suit their new office relocation. West was able to show how we could combine telephony and meetings in a seamless solution to give them greater value and increase productivity for their new flagship office.
When we're in team meetings, we can put the presentation up on the board, so whether it's an Excel spreadsheet or a PowerPoint presentation, you can go through it, you can mark it up by drawing on the screen effectively. And then you can just flip it as well to turn it into a whiteboard. So we'll make notes, we'll talk through what we need to do differently, get the action points, and then we just save it down into the space so that we can come back to it later on and talk about it again.
A lot of the time, technology is confined to IT. But what we're even talking to our own clients about at Port Novelli is that technology is a whole of business solution. And so you need leadership right the way through to every person who works in an organisation to understand how technology can actually benefit their day-to-day working as well.
One of the briefs for me from a CEO particularly was, I just want to walk into a room and I want it to work. With this solution and the move, we were able to make every room the same look and feel.
Video conferencing through WebEx has been really useful. You know, again, you can move away from 16-digit PIN codes on a conference call that don't work on your mobile phone to just a simple one-click button, and then all of a sudden, you know, it just again breaks down the friction of clients working with us. So not only has WebEx brought us closer to each other as a team and allowed us to collaborate better, it's also brought us closer to the clients.
First experience with the Cisco Centre and Meeting West was a great one, giving us kind of a one-stop solution with telecommunications. Experience with West has been great. There's always someone responding because you are using the system the same as us, so we're able to just chat. All our questions have been answered really quickly, and the rollout was seamless.
The team that have done this implementation, it was a 18-week job that we did in 9 weeks, and we delivered. So I can't praise West enough for getting us over the line.